every straight face, yes. Wonder what your boyfriend thinks about your places. We never blink, see, and you can see me. We fell asleep in the middle of a theory. So this is it then, you're here to win then. Quick, quick, sunlight, see you on the moon then. You're on a road friend, I'll pick up the phone then. Ring, ring, calling my time, got the real trends. So this is it then, you're here to win then. Quick, quick, sunlight, see you on the moon then. You're on a road friend, I'll pick up the phone then. Ring, ring, calling my time, got the real trends. Have a heart, have a heart, have a heart. 16666, and I know the part. You are the river flow, and we can never know. We're just the weatherman, you make the wind blow. Keep thinking about every straight face, yes. Wonder what your boyfriend thinks about your braces. What about them? I'm all about them. 6 such straight A's, cut 'em in the bathroom. So this is it then, you're here to win then. Quick, quick, sunlight, see you on the moon then. You're on a road friend, I'll pick up the phone then. Ring, ring, calling my time, got the real trends. So this is it then, you're here to win then. Quick, quick, sunlight, see you on the moon then. You're on a road friend, I'll pick up the phone then. Ring, ring, calling my time, got the real trends.
Oh yeah! Throw it short. Hey, throw it soft. I know, throw it soft. Throw it soft. I know. Throw it soft.
Austin, Dean, I told you to stop throwing.
Tell me when was Jesus born? Hey, hey! It was a day. Tell me when it was a day. Was it? Hey, hey! It was a day.
I'm gonna make it poop a lot. I'm gonna make it poop a lot.
Oh, here we go. We're gonna do the belly jump.
Where's your sock?
Stars in the sky look down where he lays. Little Lord Jesus, asleep on a Jesus, no cry.
One more one.
That's twice, baby! Yeah! Oh, I was so hoping for that.
What is it? A singing toothbrush?
Yeah?
Wait, if I keep it.
It goes with your ornament.
Like 2 years ago.
I don't know what happened to that. Remember we crushed the ornament.
Maybe somebody will steal it.
Yeah.
Your beaver smiled today.
That couldn't have worked out better.
Oh my gosh, it's a fuzzy scarf. I told you.
Oh?
Fuzzy scarf.
Oh, it's an infinity scarf.
Oh, it's so fuzzy! And I can feel it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That is the coolest thing ever. Oh, no way.
John? Yeah, where'd you get the healing?
I just took it to a. See,
He took it to Safeway.
that's to make his tail go, and that's to make him
They
go up
wouldn't
and
do
down.
it at Dollar Tree or a 99-cent store.
Oh, right there. That's a good pick
Oh, I
right there,
see.
man.